How to clean a washing machine with vinegar. While common thought would lead you to believe that the inside of your washing machine is clean, this may not be the case. Failing to clean your machine can lead to bad odors, germs, grime, and mold. Luckily, there are all natural methods of cleaning your top-loading or front-loading machine using white vinegar. By using the right methods, you can ensure that your machine is clean and that it effectively cleans your clothes. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to cleaning a top-load washing machine and cleaning a front-load washing machine. Now let's get started. Things you'll need: white vinegar, rags, citrus cleaner, bucket. Method 1. Cleaning a top-load washing machine. Number 1. Set your washing machine to the hottest temperature and longest cycle. Run your washing machine and allow it to fill with hot water. Use the highest load size. Number 2. Add 4 cups, 945 milliliters of white vinegar to the washer. Open the lid while the washer is running. Use a measuring cup to measure and pour 4 cups, 945 milliliters of white vinegar into the washer as it fills. Number 3. Pour a cup, 235 milliliters of baking soda into the water. For deeper cleaning, you can add baking soda to the water. Measure out a cup, 235 milliliters of baking soda, and carefully pour it into the water in your machine. Number 4. Close the lid and let the washing machine run for 5 minutes. Allowing your machine to run will let the vinegar and baking soda wash away grime and germs on the inside of your washing machine. Number 5. Open the lid and pause the machine for an hour. Letting the hot water and vinegar sit in your washing machine for an hour will lift excess grime and dirt from within the machine. Number 6. Wipe the outside of your machine while your machine is paused. Use a clean cloth and citrus cleaner to wash down the rest of your washing machine. Citrus cleaners are great at removing limescale, soap scum, and related buildup, dirt from clothes, excess detergent, leftover fabric softener, etc. You can purchase citrus cleaners at the store, or you can make them at home. Spray the cleaner in dirty areas, and use the cloth to wipe up the grime. Citrus cleaners use the natural properties found in fruits like lemons, oranges, and limes to remove dirt. When cleaning, make sure to wipe and rinse the fabric softener and bleach chambers that are on your washer. You can also use a toothbrush to get to hard-to-reach places. Number 7. Finish the washing machine cycle. Close the lid and finish the cycle in your washing machine. Wait until the cycle completes and all the water has drained from the machine. Number 8. Wipe down the interior of the machine and repeat. Finish cleaning out the interior of the washing machine with a dry rag. Once it's dry, you can repeat the steps to finish cleaning the remaining dirt or gunk that's built up inside of your machine. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning a front-load washing machine. Number 1. Fill the detergent dispenser with white vinegar. Fill the detergent dispenser with 3/4 cup, 175 milliliters of vinegar or until the detergent dispenser is filled. The detergent dispenser is usually labeled and can be found on the top of your front-load washing machine. Once it's filled, close the lid. Number 2. Start a normal wash cycle on the hottest water setting. If your front-load washing machine doesn't have a hot water setting, select the whites setting or stain setting. Allow the cycle to run through completely. Number 3. Wipe down the exterior of your washer. As the normal cycle runs, mix half a cup, 90 g of baking soda and 1 quart, 1 L of white vinegar in a bucket. Once the ingredients are incorporated, use the solution to dampen a rag and use the rag to wipe down the exterior of the washer. Number 4. Run an additional, hot rinse cycle with no added vinegar or detergent. This should remove the smell of vinegar and help remove any remaining dirt. Once you're done, the washer should be good to use. Tips. You can use vinegar to clean a twin tub washing machine, as well. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.